Welcome to this cleansing and healing visualization meditation. Settle into wherever you are and taking note of the most important thing your body does for you. That is breathing. We tend to forget about it and never consciously breathe the best we are able to. I will guide you through 3 nice big deep breaths. You pay attention to your belly and lungs expanding and contracting. 1 full inhale and exhale, letting your body relax. 2. Breathe deeply and let any bothersome thoughts fade away. 3. Filling your body with as much oxygen as you can. And let the air leave your body, relaxing you. Great. Now allow your mind to drift and imagine an ornate hand-built fountain. It is built in a way that the water level is waist high and easy for you to access later. This is the fountain of healing. Is there a sculpture that the water comes out from, splashing down into the basin? Or does the water shoot up and out into the bathing area in a beautiful way? Touch your hand to the side of the fountain and feel the way it is built and how sturdy it is. You notice the water is crystal clear, but it also seems to glow with golden light. Picture all that now in your mind's eye. Now dip your fingertips into the golden water, and as you do, you feel a profound enlivening in your fingers. You dip your entire hands in this healing water. The pleasure that this water brings you is so wonderful that you must have more. So you climb into the fountain. You immediately feel enlivened and are present to all the sensations. They feel amazing. Gather some water in your hands and splash it over your arms and chest. You feel an opening across your chest and you feel happy in your heart. Gather some more water and bathe your face. The water seems to wash away all the worries you have ever carried in your facial expressions. It feels so good you gather more water and run it through your hair. This water is not only extremely enlivening, but its appearance is stunning too. The moisture on your skin is glistening in the sunlight, like diamonds reflecting the light. Cup both hands together and gather some more of the glowing substance into your hands, gathering as much as you can and watching it slip through your fingers a little and spilling over the edges of your hands as you bring the water to your mouth for a drink. The water touches your lips and it is sublime. You're realizing that this water is heavenly. It nourishes you and it heals you. Take another handful and drink some more, feeling it trickle down your throat. And as it does, it brings new life to all of your internal organs. Take a moment or so to breathe and enjoy this transformation. Gather another handful to splash your face again. You have been replenished. And with this you feel ready to climb out of the fountain. Now relax somewhere near this fountain so that you can still hear the soothing flow of water. You are feeling completely free, clear and open-minded. Allow yourself to experience any special messages that you have been needing to hear as you gently and patiently wait. Enjoying the moment, enjoying breathing, enjoying the effects of the healing water. Breathing in a long conscious breath and breathing out. Whenever you are ready, take another nice deep breath and become fully aware of the present moment. Ready to take on the rest of your day feeling renewed. If you would like to continue to meditate, there is a link on your screen to a positive energy meditation. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.